What's up, YouTube? Shuddy here. We're back, and we got a lot going on. We got all kinds of different products. A lot of this was I should say some of it. This stuff down here was all like a Christmas present type thing. So if we get anything out of there, that'd be crazy lucky. The main thing is right now we're trying to find as much Destined Rivals as possible. My guess is this is gonna be the evolving skies of Scarlet and Violet. I think it's gonna go up and up and up in price until it doesn't make any sense to open it anymore. Kind of like Evolving Skies did at $40 a pack. But I have a guy that I got a bunch of Destined Rivals off of, as you can see. And there's a bunch more back here. He opened up 2 cases of the stackable tins. They have 2 Destined Rivals, 1 Journey Together. He sold all the Destined Rivals. So we got them at a pretty good price, actually. So we're going to open them. Hopefully there's nothing suspicious going on with them. I don't think so. I've bought stuff off of this guy before and never had a problem. But you always open it online or on video just in case. But other than that, we got a Venusaur collection box we're getting into. Bunch of other random stuff, but I think we're going to start out right here with this Knockout collection box. I think this one is going to have some older stuff in it. Because it is, does this have a date? I know these are older. So these came out, I think we got these at CVS. So I want to say this, what do we got? Alright, so we got Vivid Voltage and Astral Radiance. 2 awesome sets. Sets you definitely don't see anymore. And these were in CVS 3 months ago. So there was still Sword and Shield packs. So we're going to start off with Astral. The only card we need from Astral yet is what is it? The Machamp. Let's see if we can remember this. 4. We did that for years. Alright, we got Uxie, Energy Lotto, Overquill, Basculin. We got Glameow, Poochyena, Swinub, Quillfish. Our reverse is Switchcart. And a Hollow Irida. Very off-centered. Might almost be off-centered enough to add to the error binder. Look at how big that left side is. We're always looking for errors. Nothing else looks bad. And then we got Rainbow. It took me about 3 years to finally get my hands on this Rainbow Pikachu. Wouldn't it be something if we found it in something like this? I mean, so chances are we got nothing just because it was a green code card. And always hated those code cards for that reason. Let's see if we got. So one thing you could always count on for Sword and Shield was bad print quality. So you always look for the errors. Alright, so nothing so far. And if anybody's wondering or wants this, I will open this up. Alright, I think I'm sure there's 3 hollows in here. We got the code card. We got Shaman, Zeraora, and a Marshadow from Evolving Skies. The Zeraora is pretty cool. I believe this was a non-hollow. Alright. I'm going to take these down because these are just going to slide. Anyway. Alright. We got these pretty cool 2-packs. I forget where these came from. Probably is a dumb idea opening these, just because usually this is the stuff that goes up in value. But one, I don't keep anything sealed. At least not usually. Some stuff. So we got the Archelodon. We got the code card. But it has Twilight in it. And we still need the Greninja. And Obsidian Flames, you know, a lot of these IRs are starting to go up. The Cleffa, I was watching an eBay live. The Cleffa went for like $28. That card was like $3 forever. Alright. See if we can get anything. We got a Numel. We got Espeon. Wishcash, Larvesta, Cubchoo, and a Thundurus. So, striking out so far. I'm sure there's some other stuff we need from Twilight. This set kind of came and went pretty quick. Oh, we got something in the back. We got an Apple, Glaceon, a Sandslash, Carmine, Poliwrath, and a Cornerstone Ogerpon. So we got our first hit. Alright. Mega Evolution. We need the Gardevoir. We need the Lucario. Golden cards don't even exist in my mind. Unless we get one. Alright. We got Deli. Snover. Yungoos. And a Dialga. Phantasmal. So this I'm excited for. This is a very hard 3-pack to find. With this Blaziken Hollow, they get snatched up right away. We had a bunch of videos where we opened the Hydrapples, and the other two I have are the Hydrapples. This is the only one I found in the wild. There was one left with this Hollow Blaziken from Destined Rivals. So that's actually going in the collection binder. Oh, we're going to put that over here. Then you just got the 2 other random cards. We'll put those all together. We want the Chardashians. That's the main goal. Every other card in that set is cheap enough to buy. It's just like Obsidian. It's kind of crazy. Obsidian Flames and Phantasmal Flames are pretty much one and the same. One good card, except the Charizard is actually expensive. The Obsidian Flame Charizard is not. It's going up though, but we got Absol, Wanderous Patch, and Suicune. And this is not starting out great, but hopefully we can make up for it. Let's get into this last Twilight. Give me an Obsidian Flame Charizard. It's been a while. Another Archelodon. Oh, look, we got a Swirl. Alright. We got Fire. Litter, Chandelier, Pidgeotto, Oddish, and an Entei. Ooh, these packs are not great. Alright. We got Timber, We got a handheld fan. Whirlpeed, Glalie, and Alakazam. Kangaskhan. Couple full arts we need in this set yet, along with, like I said, the IRs. Ninjask, Marshadow. We got Numel. Dialga reverse. Ain't a hit, but we'll take it. It's in pretty good shape, actually. We're gonna keep this bad boy safe. Goldango. Gotta love Goldango. Mantine. Strange Timepiece. And a Hariyama. So, a bunch of cold packs. Let's do some Destined Rivals. Alright. Really want to see a hit in these. Just so we know. So far, nothing upside down or anything. Misty. Team Rocket's Energy. You know, I think that's the first time I ever hit that card. Put that to the side. We got Houndour, Sacred Ash, and a Regirock EX. Believe we actually need this as well. That's alright. I mean, if there's something you're gonna put back in, it's definitely that Regirock. Mudsdale. Nidoqueen, Greedent, and Arbalava EX. There's a full art you're gonna put back in. It's that one. Okay, 2 hits so far in a row. Destined Rivals is making up. Coughing. We got Typhlosion reverse, Arvin Sandwich, and the regular Hydraffle. This Typhlosion is sick. I love the cards where they're doing attacks on the card. Alright. If we get through the rest of these Phantasmals, get that box behind me open, so we can do the Mega, the Journey, and then finish off with a bunch of Destined. I think that's the plan. Carvana, Mammo, Ice Cream Cone, Wiggly, Darmanitan, and a Togedemaru IR. Let's go. We believe we have this, but we will take another one as long as it ain't Zacian. Only because we pulled it 4 times now. We will take it. And we saved the Charizard pack for last. I just want the full art Charizard. That's the main card I want out of this set. I love the color scheme. Might have something in the back. Or it might just be a hollow. Wiggly. A regular Charizard. We pull him all the time. Inferno X Charizard. If there's an EX you want to get, it's definitely this one. I think it's still like $10. Alright. Alright, let's get this open. We just savagely rip it into pieces. Oh, don't want to make you seasick. Alright. So, we got the promo. Actually, looks pretty good. A little heavy on the right. The big one. The, wait for it, reusable sticker. I haven't tried that yet, though. I have a bunch of them now, so maybe I will. Really wanted to keep this one sealed, just because it was a Venusaur box with double Venusaurs. 3 Journey. And 3 more Destined. You know where we go. Right to Journey. So we did start a set for this. We don't have much. And we're not going for master setting or anything, but almost anything we pull out of here, we need. I shouldn't say that. We probably have about 12 hits. Black Belt. Ooh, too bad we had it. It's one of the few we have. Eono, I think we have this. Eono's Kilowattrel. Beautiful colors. Beautiful card. Not mine. Say this is like a $10 or $12 card. At least we're pulling some cool IRs. Let's figure this out here. Okay, Mega. Gimme Goo. Evil. Like this art. Another attacking card. We got Tangrowth, Shuckle, and another Hariyama. Actually, I just realized something. No, I thought it was something else. We need... Actually, no, we do need this. The Journey Together Metagross. This was the set that we were missing a Metagross from. I'm going to put this over here. Wooloo. Bennett. Virizion. Another IR! That's insane. 2 IRs out of Journey Together. This one we need. We have this in Japanese, but we do not have this in English. So we will take that. I didn't think it was possible to pull double IRs. It's like 1 in, what, 10 packs or something? Can we get 3? Shelly gone. Black belt. There's just something that looks very inappropriate about this card. Bennett, Hop, Togedemaru, and Tyranitar. Kinda think we need this too. That's how little we opened. We didn't even pull all the hollows yet. Come on, give us something from Mega. I'll even take a Gardevoir. EX. Reboot. Executor. Ralts. And Silazar. Okay. So these are the 3 Destined from the box. And we got these. So let's keep going. We got 10 packs. Hope we're looking for 3 hits. I would love to pull the Meowth IR. That's my most wanted card out of this set. Mudbray, Clamperl, and my favorite new age Pokemon, Annihilate. Well, we lost that reverse. Alright. I mean, these packs do not look suspicious at all, so hopefully not. Flaffy, Drowsy, Metang, Starmie, Combuskin, Orbeetle, and Gary. We need both of these. I don't even think I've seen this Orbeetle before. There's a lot going on in this card. Another attacking Pokemon. Actually, both are, but it's actually a pretty sick Orbeetle. We got something. Hopefully it's an EX we need. Mimikyu, Nose Pass. Another Clamperl, and a Crobat. In fact, I know we don't need Crobat. Alright. We did get 3 hits out of Destined so far. Clamperls everywhere. Believe we actually need this pony to just common card. Floatzel. Ogerpon. Arvin, Sandwich, and Crustle. Might need this too. Like I said, we didn't open much Destined, so. Another EX, I think. Melodic. Lurantis. Heat Rotom. Regular Rotom. And a Marnie's Grimmsnarl. This one, I think we do need. All EXs though so far. Oh no, we got the full art. Arbolive. Dipplin. Magikarp. And Crustle. going. Well, we got 2 IRs out of this box already. Shaman. Relor. Fortress. Roserade. Toadschool. Golbat. Cynthia's Power Weight and Zamazenta. Might be. We're gonna go. So I have these. I want to use some of these for shorts, but we're gonna go until we get another hit. Yanma. Ogerpon. Sudowoodo. Rotom. Articuno. Might waste all the packs right here. Any one of these could be last pack magic. Electabuzz. Melodic. Lurantis. Scraggy. Ooh, Team Rocket's Energy and a Blaziken. Those are some nice ones there. You need both of these, actually. Manectric, Team Rocket, Pineco, Citadel, and Macargo. Come on, give us something. Great Ball, Leopard, Huntail, Scrafty, Proton, and Greedent. Uh-oh. Morgerm, Toadschool, Macargo, Ampharos, and a second. What are the odds, really? Now I'm a little sus. But we got 2. That is it. Not anything crazy. I mean, we did get, what, 2 IRs? We got a lot of stuff we needed for the set. We got the Grimmsnarl. Oh yeah, we got the 3 IRs. We got the Maractus. Along with a couple other things. But we're going to keep hunting for Destin. As always, thanks for watching. This is Shuddy out.